Check out this 2010 Ford Flex. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.